need to write the electronic configuration of ferrous ion. First, let's discuss how to write the electronic configuration of a positive ion or a cation. First step is to write the electronic configuration of neutral atom. Then we need to arrange the electronic configuration according to principal energy levels or according to principal quantum numbers. Then we can remove electrons from the outermost subshell to form the cation or form the required positive ion. These are the steps that we need to follow when we write an electronic configuration of a positive ion. Okay, let's follow these steps for ferrous ion. We need to write the electronic configuration of ferrous ion. So what is the first step? First, we need to write the electronic configuration of neutral ion atom or neutral ferrum atom. How many? What is the atomic number of ion? It is 26. Therefore, there are 26 protons in the nucleus of an ion atom. Therefore, in a neutral ion atom, there must be 26 electrons. There are 2 electrons in S subshell of first principal energy level. Then there are 2 electrons in S subshell of second principal energy level. There are 6 electrons in P subshell of second principal energy level. Then there are 2 electrons in S subshell of third principal energy level. 6 electrons in P subshell of third principal energy level. 2 electrons in S subshell of fourth principal energy level. Finally, there are 6 electrons in D subshell of third principal energy level. Likewise, we can write the electronic configuration according to the above principle. Then, what is the second step? Arrange that electronic configuration according to the principal energy levels. Then we can arrange this electronic configuration according to the principal energy levels. The result is something like this. Then what is the final step? Remove electrons from the outermost subshell to form the positive ion. To form ferrous ion, we need to remove 2 electrons. So we move to the outermost subshell, that is S subshell of fourth principal energy level. There are 2 electrons. Then we can remove those 2 electrons. Then there are no electrons in the S subshell of fourth principal energy level. Rest of the electrons remain same. Therefore, this is the electronic configuration of ferrous ion. If you want, you don't need to write this, that there are no electrons in S subshell of fourth principal energy level. You don't need to write that one. So that's how we need to write the electronic configuration of ferrous ion. Then there was a confusion of a student that this electronic configuration cannot be changed to this type, similar to electronic configuration of chromium. No, that cannot be happen. What is the reason? When we form ferrous ion, we remove electrons from the outermost subshell. When the electrons fill to the chromium atom, it fills according to the increasing energy order. Therefore, these two things are two different things. Because of that, the electronic configuration of ferrous ion doesn't change to the electronic configuration which is similar to chromium ion. Therefore, if you write something like this for ferrous ion, it is incorrect. It is correct for chromium, but it is incorrect for ferrous ion. So if you have any questions regarding advanced level chemistry, please comment those questions down below. Then I can help you to solve those problems. Want to score high in your term test and aim for that A+ in your advanced level exam? Join our smart paper discussion class today. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description to get started. Stay curious, stay focused. See you in the class.